I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and going straight to Settings. Do this now. Once in Settings, you'll open the gear icon on desktop or the three-dot menu on mobile, then navigate to Appearance or Accessibility. You're doing this because the dark option lives inside those panels. It isn't a global OS toggle inside Roblox. Make sure you're on an updated Roblox version, as older app builds may hide theme controls or show different labels. Now you'll find Theme, Display, or Color Mode settings. Tap it. Choose Dark explicitly if you want Roblox Dark immediately, or select System so Roblox follows your device's OS Dark mode. This helps when you switch contexts. Once selected, apply the change and watch the UI switch. If visuals don't update, close and relaunch the Roblox client to force a redraw. Remember that some legacy interfaces or games may not adopt the theme, because developers set custom UI colors. Finish by checking the main menus and game lobbies to confirm dark mode is active. You should see darker backgrounds and text contrast changes. If parts still look light, update Roblox, clear the app cache, and restart or reinstall. That fixes most inconsistent theme issues. One quick troubleshooting trick: toggle your device's system dark mode on then off, relaunch Roblox, and the app often resyncs theme settings. If problems persist, test on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.